Hey guys, this is IKner43, and I'm just here to tell you that I sawed off my double shot. So here's the double shot. Right here. Sorry you can't see that one. It's right there. Yeah, I think it works better than it shoots farther than the one that's not sawed off. So, and yeah, I think it also is just more portable. I mean, it's not so long. Yeah, and it's maybe a little harder to reload. Yeah, you can't you have to push it down really. You have to have a really small hand. Sorry. Yeah, so this has been IKner43. Just giving you a quick update about my new looking double shot. So, bye.